Looking at these canyon walls, one can marvel at the tenacity, courage, and skill of the fearless man that performed some of the most dangerous undertakings on the Boulder Canyon project. These brave characters, called high scalers, swung from the top of the canyon walls by a single rope on a bosun's chair, drilling, blasting, and chipping away at the rock. They worked the walls to their solid. Notice the roofs on both buildings appear to have wires coming out of them. This is called the takeoff structure. From the takeoff structure, the wires carry the electricity up and over the canyon walls.
잠깐만. 하나, 둘. 잠깐 저쪽으로 보고 볼게. 하나. 이거 봐.
The rest of you folks have just. You stay where you want to along the Bailey, folks. Stay where you want to along the Bailey. Each one of these generators is 7 stories tall, but you see the top 30 feet of each generator. Just one of these massive generators can produce 100. Find a way to move that river out of the way. Say blessed out for the river goes underneath Hoover Dam, through Hoover Dam, or over Hoover Dam. Oh, it's around Hoover Dam, those tall as the canyon walls.
Looking at these canyon walls, one can marvel at the tenacity, courage, and skill of the fearless man that performed some of the most dangerous